Good morning, guys. I will show you what's in our fridge for this week. Let's open it. Yes, this is our butter, yogurt, cheeses, and then our dessert cakes, some of our leftover food for our next meal, and then our juices, fruit and veggie. This is spinach, our mushrooms, beans, capsicum. This is given to us, a bush lemon from our friend. Another corn, celery, and our veggie, carrot, potato, cabbage, and still more. And it's our condiments, our Lady's Choice Filipino spread, relish, parmesan, our jam, dressing, milk, wines, and our meat section, steak, pork, chicken, ice cream, pizza, chips, frozen vegetables, mixed berries, dumplings. Okay guys, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Bye.